I need a new camera. Hopefully y'all are seeing me well. I can't really tell if I'm in focus or not, or if the lighting is good or not. Anyway, I got this on. As you can see, Sweets put it on for me because clearly I was struggling or doing something wrong. But anyway, I need a new camera, y'all. This one is a done. I've tried different, it's something dead in it. It's like roadkill or whatever we call it. I've been trying to hold on to this camera to not make financial decisions so abruptly. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hold on till Black Friday anyway to try and get a new camera, because I know for sure it's gonna go on sale, and I'd be mad if I buy it now for full price when I know in a month and a half they will have it on sale. So hopefully this thing hold on for the next month and a half. But anyway, right now, today's my birthday, y'all. I should have started with it. Today's October 12th, period. So today's my birthday. I took the day off of work, so I decided, I haven't really told y'all about like just the whole school year yet. This school year is the most stressful school year I've ever had in all of my 6 years of teaching. Okay, these kids, oh, I be wanting to. So I decided to take the day off. Just one, it's my birthday, and two, I just don't feel like being stressed on my birthday. You know what I'm saying? Because teaching these set of kids this year is very difficult, and I just needed a mental day, so I took it. So I'm not working today. It is 10:30 right now. I've been up for a minute. Right now I'm heading to the nail salon. Somebody's calling me, mommy. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm heading to the nail salon. My nails look a mess. My nail tech lady, she was on vacation for 2 weeks, and when she came back, her book was just filled, so it's no appointment. So I just decided to just suck it up and do my nails because it's my birthday. Why not? Now as for birthday plans, I don't have any. I'm just going with the flow. Who is calling me again? I'm just going with the flow today. I don't have anything planned. My mom has work. Sweets has work. You know, so it's not really much that I have planned. I don't have anything. And last night I was very reflective and just thinking about my birthday and just all my just reflecting. Came to a realization that all these years that I've been in America, I've been saying like, oh, I'm not a birthday person. If you ask any of my friends, I never have like birthday plans or anything like that. I feel like ever since I met Sweets, because our birthdays are so close, like we'll make birthday plans together, because Sweet's birthday is actually tomorrow. I'm October 12th, he's October 13th, so like we'll make birthday plans then. But if you don't know, I moved to America when I was 13, so, and now I'm 28, so that's, yeah, girl, I get all God. So yeah, so it's been a minute, and over the years I noticed that my thought about birthdays have definitely shifted. As in, I describe myself now as, oh, I'm not a birthday person. Whenever somebody asks like, oh, what you doing for your birthday or whatever, I'm just like, oh, I don't know. I'm not really a birthday person. But I now understand why. And in Jamaica, prior to moving to the US, I definitely was like, I loved my birthday. My mom always made sure my birthday was special, like party. I had birthday party, surprise party, or like just something celebrating my birthday. And since I left Jamaica, I haven't had that. I did have moments in college because I was around my friends. So of course, for every birthday, for different people's birthday, we will do different things. But I'm just talking about like my family. When I moved here, like this side of family, they didn't make my birthday a big deal. So I feel like I developed this defense to like not make birthday plans because I don't want to be disappointed, or you know, don't make it a big deal because they didn't make it a big deal. So over the years, and like I said, I've been here now 15 years, so over the years I have developed this sense of, oh, it's just a day, it's just my birthday, I'm a year older, and basically. And then it hit me this morning like, girl, you are not living with them anymore. Like, you are around people that love you now. Not saying they don't love, but like people who care about you, people who mean good to you, and like you're still in this phase. Like, snap out of it. And I just really wish I had this realization about a week ago, so that I could buy something to wear, or I could make plans or something like that, because I didn't. And this is getting me real emotional. I don't want to be emotional. And y'all, as I'm vlogging, all of this is just coming to me now, because like, I don't think I've ever, no, I did one time on live. So you must have been, if you know, you probably were subscribed to me like way back in the day. Like, when I did this on, I told my story on live one time. But I had a rough upbringing when I moved to the US. So I left my mom's family in Jamaica and I moved here with my dad's side of family, and that was hell. And so I'm just thinking, like, why did I allowed them to steal this from me for so long, and here I am now 28 with my own little family, and I'm still allowing them to do that. So I just wish I had the realization so like, I had the realization last week, so I could just really buy something cute to put on, make plans, go out and enjoy my day, even if it's just me. Because like I said, everybody else is working, and I'm not that selfish to be like, oh, call off for work. Like, no, everybody needs to do what they're doing. So I not even just saying that, I just mean like, even on the weekend I could have done something. I could have planned something with my friends, I could plan something with my family and stuff like that, and I didn't do anything like that. I mean, it's not too late. However, I just got this realization that, like, damn, like, I don't know, it just hit me like, yo, Sade, like, you're in control now. Like, you can take it back and you can start making your birthday what you want it to be, and the people around you will too, like, you know. So I'm saying all that to say without getting emotional and stuff like that. And I feel like that was just a sad session. And it's my birthday, and I feel like when I watch birthday vlogs, I'm expecting people to be, you know, rah rah rah, it's my birthday, we getting late, we doing all that. But no, that's just not my reality. But I can vow to myself for sure that from this point on, it will be a celebration every year from this point on. Mark my word. So this is 28. And this is not saying that I'm not enjoying my day, because legit, I really analyzed it and I thought about it. I'm like, what do I really want today? Like, what do I, if a year from now or 2 years from now, I'm looking back like, oh, how was my 28th birthday? I'm content. I have Kai. And this morning I was just looking at him like, this is my gift right here. This is I already got my birthday gift. You know what I'm saying? But of course, you know, the little things and all of that too. But I know I'm planning my 30th birthday party anyway. But that's 2 years from now. So now I'm thinking about what can I do next year? What can I still do this year for my birthday and stuff like that. Now, granted, Sweets and I were supposed to take a trip, but with Kai, it's kind of difficult. And, excuse me, I mean, we could bring Kai, but it's our birthday, we want to turn up, and you know. So, and then my mom works, so I really don't have like a babysitter or somebody to leave him with for an extended amount of time. So that got scrapped, so we didn't get to go. But hopefully we get to plan something, or just, you know, do something, because like I said, Sweet's birthday is tomorrow as well. But yeah, on another note, yes, I'm gonna go get my nails done right now. I'm not putting a wig on. I'm just gonna fix my slick bun. It's not slick down right now, so I'm gonna, when I get back home, slick it down. I'm gonna try to do my makeup. I don't know, maybe not yet. Sweets want us to do something before. Sweet said he wants us to do something before he goes to work today, so yeah, I need to hurry up and get my nails done, and then yeah, that's it. So anyway, I feel like that was so sad, and like, I'm just keeping it real. I'm just explaining how I feel and all that. But anyway, peace. So guys, I got home, did my nails. I did regular white because, yeah, just the regular white. So anyway, when I got home, Mummy was like, oh, she's taking us out to breakfast or whatever. I had to get ready, the Sony ZV-1. I had to get ready so quickly. So no, put the body, just check. So Sony ZV-1. Shav getting me a camera for my birthday. I joke. So we hear Kai over there. As you can see, Mummy is just for work. Yeah, $800. So yeah, we're just basically we're outside too, cause it's nice out today. We're just gonna eat real quick and then come back before they gotta go. So guys, I got a complimentary thing for my birthday. We outside, so that failed and the thing fell off the French toast, but yeah. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm gonna pause my picture for a little bit. Kai gonna cry, but hey guys, what's up? So it's later on, it's my birthday night. As a recap, after brunch my mom went straight to work after brunch. Like I showed y'all, she was already dressed for work. Sweets got back and got ready for work, went to work. I went on the road to just run it around a little bit, grab some stuff, and just like, you know, a little self-care type day. Kai was sleeping, so I left him with Shav. So Shav was watching him. He was basically asleep the whole time I was gone. So right now, tomorrow is Sweet's birthday. Yeah, my eyes are crazy. It's the mascara. But tomorrow's Sweet's birthday, so I'm preparing his gift right now. I just packaged it, and now I just wrote him a birthday card from me, and I also got him one from Kai. And I'm like thinking about what to say to him, like I'm Kai, you know. It's dumb. I mean, it's not dumb. I think personally, I do think it's cute, but like, I'm just saying stuff that little kids would say, you know. So that's what I'm here doing. But I did want to come and just give y'all a little recap of what really happened. Like I told you this morning, we didn't have much plans. I didn't even know that my mom was planning to take us out. She literally told me when I got back from doing my nails. So yeah, I just hurried up and got ready. Everything was kind of rushed in a sense because everybody still had to go to work and all of that. So that happened, but I'm still grateful for everything that happened today. Me and my friends were going out to brunch on Sunday. We were gonna go out today, but I really didn't have nobody to watch Kai, and I didn't want to take Kai with me. So we'll celebrate then. I want to go at like a nighttime, but again, I don't got nobody to watch Kai. So hopefully in about a week or two, like when my mom is off on a weekend, we can go out. I can go out with my friends and stuff. That's all that I did today. I really enjoyed my day, to be honest. I got a little time to go on the road, spend time with my family. Y'all know my family's not that big here, so it's just us that you saw today. Celebrating, and I appreciated it. And yeah, really and truly, sent me a gift there, and I'm so grateful. I got him in March, but listen, it still feels surreal in October. So last year on my birthday, there's this website. It's called, I saw it on TikTok, and I saved the TikTok, and I did it last year. It's this website. It's called Future Me. And you can write a letter to your future self, and it sends the email whenever you want it. So you get to choose in 1 year or in 5 years. So last year on my birthday, I wrote a letter to myself, and I just got the email. I was wondering if it wasn't coming, because I did remember, and I was like, did I put the wrong email in? Like, why didn't I get it? And it just came in at 8 p.m. So I would definitely suggest doing it. I haven't read it yet. My heart is like beating. I don't even remember everything that I said in the letter, but I'm so excited, and I feel like it's just like a nice little gift to myself to see where my mindset was a year ago to where it is today. And I am going to finish off the night with writing myself another note so I can get it next year. And I'm also going to write myself a 5-year letter too, so I can get it in 5 years. So think about doing that if you're somebody that's into like all that, to see what you were thinking about a year ago. Definitely do that. But I just really wanted to tell y'all that. So go ahead and do it. It's called Future Me. I'll also link it in the description box. Hey guys, what's up? So today is Friday. It's Friday night actually. Tonight, me and my best friends were going to an escape room. We have not been out, all three of us. They go out all the time. I just never, like, I'm not the going out type first of all. Second of all, like, we just haven't been out in a minute, all three of us. So, I am going out tonight with them. We're gonna just do an escape room, probably go get some drinks afterwards or whatever. Jada's on her way to pick me up because we're just all gonna take one car. That should be exciting. Hopefully I can vlog inside of the place. I'm not sure. I'm gonna fill it out. I'm gonna ask and see, but I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Jada, like I said, is on her way to get me now. I wanted to do makeup and get cute. I wanted to slick my hair down, everything. I don't have the time to do any of that, so I just threw on something real quick, just simple. I'm wearing these pants. This is my second time wearing them. I only styled them once for Instagram. I'm wearing these. I'm just wearing a basic long sleeve because it's cold outside, and that's it. I'm gonna put some boots on, and that's about it. Y'all, my camera is so jacked up, like it's leaning. I think I just made up my mind. I'm just gonna get a new camera because this is trying to be faithful, but you know it's slipping up all the time. So, and I'm even scared to go vlog with it right now, but we move. So yeah, I'm excited to be vlogging again, y'all. This will be a somewhat of a up-to-date vlog. Today's October 28th or 29th. Today's October 28th. It's Friday. So yeah. To go. So guys, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we did it. We were just missing one toy, so we almost escaped. We almost escaped. So now we at the yard house. We're about to get drinks and food and chill for a little bit. How many? Right? I'm trying to catch the yard house in here.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl?
Hey guys, what's up? I'm trying out a different angle to see if I like it. Good morning. It's Saturday. I am heading on the road to... I sound very much congested, and I told y'all I've been sick, and this cold don't want to go away. That's set up, not working because my camera just fell. And this camera can't take no dropping now because it's already on broke. I'm very congested. I think I told y'all I've been sick. I've been sick for like the past week and a half, and in this cold I'm still like very much congested. I don't know, but I'm heading on the road right now. First I'm going to Starbucks to get some coffee. I got some points that I want to redeem for a drink, so I'm gonna go do that because they're gonna expire. They're gonna take some away next week, and I want to make sure that I don't lose my points. So I'm gonna go get some Starbucks. A new drink that I've been getting from Starbucks to get on the pumpkin spice wave. I do like the pumpkin spice latte, but personally I like, when I'm drinking anything, I like tasting the coffee and stuff like that. So I've been getting a shaken espresso with pumpkin spice sweet cream foam. If you don't like coffee, you're probably not gonna like it. You can add milk to it to take out the coffee taste, but I think it's good. I'm deciding on what I want right now. It's a beautiful day, y'all. It is so nice outside, as in sunny and pretty, but it's a little chilly. Yeah, I am on the road right now, just trying to run some errands. I want to go to Sephora to get, hopefully y'all are seeing me well. I want to go to Sephora to get a moisturizer, and they have this fade cream that I want to try, that I'll be seeing on TikTok and YouTube, that I want to try out for hyperpigmentation. So I might go to Sephora right now too. It's just that the parking on that side on a Saturday is gonna be crazy, so I don't know if I want to do that. I'm still thinking, but first stop, the only thing I can think about right now is Starbucks. Maybe after I get my coffee, then I can decide what to do. Cheers, y'all. Whenever I go to Starbucks, and if there are people there that I don't recognize, I'm very skeptical to go. I just walked in there and there's this old lady, no shade, and this other girl that I saw the other day getting trained. And I was like, I'm not gonna get my coffee, but I got it anyway. Obviously it's not good. This is why I stick to like my OGs, and like I should have just followed my mom. But anyway, they gotta learn some way, but I just prefer not my drink being the experiment, you know. I can think where I need to go. I'm not gonna go today. I just got real lazy. You ever come on the road and just got real lazy? That's me right now. And I basically slept until like 12 today. I mean, I woke up because Kyle woke up, but like I didn't get up until 12. I'm gonna just go to the supermarket to go get some. I'm gonna get some drumsticks because I'm gonna make some drumsticks. I'm gonna make some chicken leg. That's it. I'm not up to much today. I need to clean, do laundry, the usual stuff on the weekend. I need to edit and stuff like that. Y'all, vlogmas is coming up and I really want y'all to drop what y'all want to see. I want to do vlogmas. I want to do vlogmas this year. One, because Kai's here, you know, it's just our first Christmas holiday together. I definitely want to document that. My ear look crazy because it's not gelled down, so it's puffy. So yeah, I want to do vlogmas this year. So drop some stuff that y'all would like to see. Obviously it's vlogs, but I don't think I could provide a vlog every day. Maybe just mix up. It's gonna be some hair videos in there, probably some videos with people, like, you know, my family in there, like, you know, different things just to switch it up. Because my day-to-day is not that much. I go to work every day and that's about it. But I'm trying to think now and trying to think outside the box too. From October, may I try to think about vlogmas, because I want to stick it out, and I don't want, a lot of times when I don't stick it out, it's because I don't make a plan. I don't know what to do or what to vlog, so then I just end up not vlogging. So we start early this year. Drop in the comments what y'all would like to see for vlogmas this year. Right? Hey guys, what's up? Long time no see. It's a couple days later. I'm at work right now. So I wanted to come and talk because I feel like a lot of times when I don't vlog, it's just because I'm not okay, and I also want y'all to see the ups and downs too of when I'm not okay. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it in my last vlog, but I was saying how this school year is one that I've never seen before for many factors. I feel like I'm a mom now. This is the first time I had to teach and be a mom, and I'm having a lot of behavior issues in my class. These are the students who solely spent their middle school years on Zoom and online before the pandemic and everything like that. So it's a lot. I'm having thoughts about rethinking my path of my career and everything like that. So your girl is not okay. Okay, as far as that goes. Spend 8 hours Monday through Friday here, and I'm trying to just find a balance. I'm trying to be okay with this. Some days are better than others. Today is one of those days when it's just, I feel like not doing this anymore. But of course I can't just get up and make that drastic plan. I don't believe on quitting on kids, but I also believe to putting myself first and also making sure that I'm okay. Yeah, it's just a lot. And then I'm reaching out to families trying to get some support. The messaging now is that they're tired of their kid as well, so they're not sure what to do to help me out as their teacher. So because they're doing it at home, they're doing it here as well. So it's just a lot. And I've tried a bunch of different ways. I've gone to my supervisors. I've tried talking to other teachers, just to, like, you know, there's been teachers here that's been in the game for 20 years. So I've been talking to people, just trying to get better ways or different strategies, something that maybe I didn't think of yet. Just trying to think about that to see what I can do to be better. I've tried a bunch of different things, nothing is working. I still do think there are things that I even think about. Like today I went to a teacher to talk to him because I do respect his opinion, and he gave it to me, and he told me to try some stuff, so I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. But your girl is drained, okay? I am drained. I don't want to teach anymore. Some days I feel like this. Some days I'm just telling myself, like, just make it through this year because you'll get a different set of kids. But I don't want it to be the case where next year I'm still going through the same thing. So most of my teacher friends that I started out with back in Florida, they're out of teaching now and they're doing their own thing, and I think maybe I've reached my max now. I told myself that I wasn't gonna spend more than 5 years in the classroom. It's my 6th year in the classroom. So I don't know if it's just the power of the tongue or me just praying for things, and God maybe is trying to show me now that, you know, you didn't want this, so what are we doing next? Like, what's the next step? So I'm just thinking about a different, like, what else can I do to take a different path and stuff like that. So yeah, so if it's just if my vlogs just seem very gappy, that's the reason. Because when I do go home, I be wanting to do stuff. I want to do errands, I want to go out. However, it's just, I don't feel like doing none of that because I'm just exhausted from talking too much, from correcting behavior, that I don't want to talk when I get home. And I got a kid at home now that I have to preserve some positive energy for. So there are days when I go home and I can't go around Kai because my feelings is just off, and I don't want to go around him with that. So I also need to find that balance in order to cool off and just get rid of this negative energy that I have currently, so that when I go home I'm in a positive space for him. And I don't know, I'm chatting, I'm trying to explain stuff to y'all just to be, you know, to be honest to y'all, to see, so y'all can see what I'm up to and all that. I got a therapist today. I started the process of getting a therapist because I need to talk to somebody. It's a lot, y'all. I'm up here. I'm up here. So message to you, if you're watching and you are a parent and you have kids that are maybe in 8th, 9th, 10th grade, these are the kids who are like greatly affected. I mean, all kids are greatly affected, but like these are the areas right now where we're seeing the pandemic really took a hit on these kids, academically, behaviorally, and a lot of times behaviors come from them not understanding the material. So because when kids don't understand your work, they're gonna flip out, and they're just gonna, some kids will try and some will just shut down. So it's just that gap of trying to meet in the middle for both. But yeah, that's basically why I've been gappy. I'm gonna try to do my best though, because I don't want to come on here and act like to vlog only when I'm in a good mood or whatever. I do want to show y'all the real deal as well. I've just been a little hesitant because it is my job and I have to be careful with what I say. But yeah, it's just my feelings, and I think my feelings are valid, and I want to be clear and I want to be open and honest with y'all as well, especially for people. I've had people reach out to me plenty of times asking about teaching, and I just don't want to put the positive energy out there, because I feel like I always come in here and be like, oh, I love my students, I love my students, and I do. However, it gets difficult sometimes. That makes you just want to, you know, so yeah. But anyway, all that to say, I am here. Today's November 1st. It's a new leaf. I'm in a good space. I started to journal a lot, y'all. I probably started, maybe last week or 2 weeks ago I started to journal. Let me tell you the exact date, because my mom gave me this journal. Well, she gave it to me. I was using it for work stuff, and I was like, I'm journaling this. So I started journaling on October 24th. That's when I started journaling, and I've been journaling ever since. I do think that it helps me a lot. I try to do it in the mornings, like before all the chaos and stuff. Some days I've been doing it at the end of the day. It just depends on when I get the time. I have a bunch, and y'all know where I get these journal prompts from, y'all? TikTok. I just go on TikTok and put in journal prompts, and I just choose the one that I want to write about. So the one for today is, I wrote a bunch of them. I just choose which one I want to write. It says, would you rather have a 5-minute conversation with your past or your future self? So I'm going to think about this. I'm going to write for a little bit before. I'm on prep right now, so I don't have a class. I'm going to have a class in the next 10 minutes. Sweets is bringing me Starbucks because he's off today. So I'm going to run down and get that when he gets here. I'm going to finish up this journal prompt, and yeah. I'll keep y'all updated on my therapy journey though. The lady seems really cool. We had a convo, you know, she gave me her spiel, I gave her my spiel, like what are my goals for therapy and what am I looking for, all that. So I'm excited. She said we can start as early as Friday. I just sent her my insurance stuff and everything like that, so hopefully everything work out that we can start on Friday. But again, I'll keep y'all updated. You know, for everything like that. But yeah, if y'all are watching this and y'all are teachers or know any teachers, drop some advice for me in the comments, because your girl is struggling. It feels like my first year teaching. And if you ever taught before, your first year teacher is probably like a shit show. And that's what it feels like. Oh my god, I've been recording for 10 minutes. Hopefully y'all sat through my little rant, my mini rant. All right, y'all, I'll catch y'all a little bit later, because I keep talking. I could talk forever. Y'all know once I start talking, that is it. But anyway, keep dropping your suggestions for vlogmas as it pops up. Drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Hey y'all, what's up? The lighting is kind of off, so excuse that I'm driving. Today's Saturday and I'm heading to the gym. It's 9:45 right now. I woke up earlier and I just could not go back to sleep. So I was like, why not go to the gym? I've been meaning to go. I didn't even tell y'all. So I told myself that I was gonna start going back to the gym this past Monday. So I laid out this same outfit, everything, Sunday night, and on Saturday I had washed my sneakers, and it was really sunny out, so I decided to just put my shoes outside to like dry, and just, you know, and the way the back of my house is, it's not like an enclosed backyard. So Sunday night now, my mom was coming home from work, and I was like, hey, when you're coming up, can you just grab my sneakers off of the car? And she was like, I didn't see any sneakers. And I was like, that's weird. So I didn't think anything of it. So I was just like, oh, let me just go downstairs to see if somebody else just like took it off the car and put it on the inside for me. It wasn't there. So I just texted my brother, and I texted Sweets, and I was like, hey, did y'all take my sneakers off the car? They were like, no. Everybody is saying that the last place they saw it was on top of the car. And I was just like, that is so weird. Like, where could my sneakers be? So I'm just looking everywhere. I'm honestly thinking that they're playing a joke on me. And then my last resort was like, okay, maybe the neighbor picked it up, because she had done that before. Like, I mean, she does it when it's about to rain, you know what I'm saying? So it wasn't about to rain or anything. So I mean, I don't know, she probably just saw it was nighttime and picked it up. So I just brushed it off, but it was too late for me to call her. So I just waited till the next day. It wasn't her. So I was just like, this is so weird. So I decided to check the camera system. And y'all know this happened on Sunday, which was the 30th. Can y'all believe? No, I checked the camera on the 31st because, like I said, I wanted to wait till the next day to see if the neighbor had it. So how about so apparently I didn't know this. When I called the security company, we were allowed 5,000 recordings for the month. And how about we ran out right the day before somebody took my sneakers. And I said, just my luck. But I just been telling myself, like, hey, whoever took it, they probably really needed some sneakers. I just think it's dirty to take somebody used sneakers, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't know what type of feet I got and you just gonna take my sneakers. But I just keep telling myself, maybe somebody just really needs some sneakers, and it is what it is, and they just had to get mine. So luckily I had an old pair, but they were so beat up, and that's the point of me getting a new one. Anyway, I don't know, I like wearing white sneakers to the gym, and you know, over time white just becomes and I'm not one of them to wash the sneakers every week. I'm really not. So over time it's been, you know, now it look busted. So I was just like, whatever, I'm gonna just wash them. Obviously I couldn't go to the gym the next day because they were still wet, and I just never went. So it just spiraled into the week. I had a shitty week too, so you know, everything just spiraled into the week, and here we are today, Saturday. I am heading to the gym with my busted sneakers. I had the thought about going to get a new pair, but it's just not in the budget right now. I'm just gonna wear the ones I have. They don't look horrible. It's not up to par what I like though. So in the near future, I am gonna get some gym sneakers. But yeah, I'm just driving there right now. Do I feel like working out? Absolutely not. Absolutely not, y'all. But I'm gonna go because this is the lifestyle that I want for myself. And the hardest part about the gym that I know is just starting. That's the hardest part, starting. Like when I leave, I'm gonna feel so amazing, but it's just the taking that initial step to go. So that's what I'm doing this morning. I don't expect to be in there for long. Usually when I'm just starting to work out again, I don't pressure myself. I probably do like 30 minutes of just like treadmill and just get myself acquainted with it again. I'm not just gonna push myself on the first day and be so sore that I'm not gonna go back the next day. So yeah, today is jam-packed with stuff that I have to do, just little stuff. I want to go get my nails I want to go get my nails soaked, but my acrylic soaked off. I want a new set, but the girl that I go to, she don't work on people's work, so I need to get them soaked off so that I can book an appointment with her. I'm just gonna get some French manicure. I feel like I'm in the phase right now, I just want French nails, just over and over every time I get a refill until I'm tired of it. But that's the phase I'm kind of in right now. I have not been to the gym since maybe August. Oh my god, I always beat myself up whenever it's time for me to start again. I always beat myself up, like, why did I even stop in the first place? But you know, that's okay. I'm about to go get this workout in, guys, and this is where I'm gonna actually end today's video. I know this video was kind of chatty, so to make up for that, just expect a new video again in like soon, because I know this video was just like chatty. I wasn't doing much, but I'm gonna take y'all on the road with me today in the next vlog and just like throughout the next couple days. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment down below, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.